What's up, YouTube? This is Brian with the Auto Room, and today I'm going to be showing you Project Coyote Swap. And what that is basically my 1986 Mustang GT. It's got the 302 with the AOD 4-speed auto transmission in it, and I'm going to be getting the Coyote sooner rather than later. Right now I'm just in the teardown process, but I just want to show you a little bit of the car in its current state so you can see what we're working with. And no, this is not the Fox body, of course. This is my 15 GT. It's just parked right here for right now, but it'll be out of the way once this starts to spread out parts wise. But this is the 86 GT convertible. I've had it for, I want to say, close to 3 years now. Spent a lot of time restoring it. Ran it off the 302 for a while until it started giving me issues about 6-7 months ago. I decided, instead of rebuilding it for this car, decided to rip it out and put not exactly what's in that one, not that exact engine, because there's nothing wrong with that car, but another Coyote, preferably one out of a F-150, and swap it into this car. My plans are to run that Coyote with a 6R80 automatic transmission, which I already have. That's out of a 2013 F-150. And I believe it's got like 102,000 miles on it. But I believe I'm going to probably have it built and run a better torque converter with it once everything's said and done. But it's in good shape as is. I could put it in and run it as is, but I'll just do a little walk around of the car and let you see it. And like I said, it is an 86 GT convertible. The car itself has around 100, no, not 100. It's got like a maybe 90,000 miles realistically. I don't really go off of that odometer. Odometer was never really on point since I've had the car, but I spent a lot of time over the past few years restoring it, painting it, just trying to bring it back to its former glory. And no, it's not perfect, but it's mine, you know, that's what's important. I love it as it is. That top is a little dirty, but that's probably the most recent thing I've had replaced on it. Got a fresh top with a glass window, so I didn't want to cheap out on that. Like I said, it's pretty much stock as is. Interior wise, everything's still pretty much stock. I did delete that rear seat, and these are just some $400 racing seats off of eBay for right now. They are much better than what was in it when I got the car, which were some pretty beat up SN95 94 to 04 seats. So these are much better overall than those, and I think I'm gonna rock with them for a while because I don't see any reason why not. It's got the ponies on it, and I believe these are off of like a 92 or a 93 Fox body. These were on the car when I got them, and I've always liked the pony wheels. They always look good to me. And it's actually painted reef blue, which is not a factory color for 86, but I love reef blue. I had to have it, so there you go. And like I said, I'm in the teardown process with the car now. I'm getting this 302 and this AOD out of here. I've already got the pretty much all of the cooling system out of the way. A lot of the things on the sides here out of the way. I'm going to be clearing all these old wiring harnesses, everything I'm not going to need, getting all of that out of the way so that I can eventually shave these side skirts here, get these shaved down and smooth and painted and looking good. For the brake system, I'm planning on running a hydro boost system using, I believe it's like a 04 hydro boost unit that I've got. I'm planning on running that. And I also plan on running Power by the Hour's accessory drive, their speed drive, which will allow me to use a Mustang GT alternator right here, 96 to 04 power steering pump down there, 96 to 04 compressor down there, which will, you know, basically bring this car up to modern standards. It'll have all the modern features: power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, everything you could ever want in a properly done Coyote swap. And I've already got custom AC lines that are actually mounted to a brand new dryer. I've got custom lines to work with my swap, which I'm using a 4-cylinder Fox body dryer with custom lines going to the factory Fox body evaporator, which I'm thinking about replacing. This one wasn't leaking because the air conditioning was working in this car. I don't know how well you can see it, but it was working in this car before I started tear down. So I don't know if I'll replace that or not. I may just replace it while I'm in there. I mean, why not? And basically it's going to be, the AC system is going to be a 4-cylinder Fox body dryer going to a 96 to 04 air conditioning compressor, which will then work with a factory Fox body evaporator or condenser, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, that's what my lines are going to be set up to run. So that'll probably be one of the last things I do with the car as far as the swap's concerned, getting the AC going. But overall, I don't see why this car isn't a good candidate for a Coyote Swap. I mean, it's structurally sound. Like I said, the engine started to give me a lot of issues 6-7 months ago, and I said, you know, instead of rebuilding it for this car, why not Coyote Swap it while I'm at it? It's got to come out of the car anyway. So yeah, it's basically just a short little video letting you see the car, letting you hear about, you know, what I've got planned for it. And I'm going to be documenting this entire process from this video all the way up until the point we have it finished up and on a dyno. My current goal is to have this car ready for Mustang Week this year, Mustang Week 2020. Hopefully all the, you know, the COVID-19 things going on are over and done with by then, and they'll actually have it. But that's my plan. So stay tuned. If you want to see the process, just like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll take you along with me on this Coyote Swap. Take care. Thanks for watching.